Good morning, dear children. So, in this module, we'll study about the sounds of birds. Children, as we all are human beings and we have the capability to communicate or talk with other people present on this planet. Humans have tongue inside their mouth that helps them to talk. In the same way, a bird can also communicate any message amongst its species, but yes, their language or method of communication is different from the human beings. So, communication in birds can be done with the help of tongue that makes sound to communicate any message. Birds have different kinds of special calls for different purposes. For instance, a pigeon usually coos to grab the attention of other birds of its species. However, when they feel a threat, they use a harsh grunt to express their emotions. Birds also communicate by flapping their wings. Flapping means to move the wings up and down. Some birds, like nightingale and cuckoo, sing a song to deliver their messages to other birds. Birds also utilize the power of sound to update their fellow birds about the danger when a predator enters into their territory. Dear children, birds use contact calls while flying to keep aware of each other's presence in the flock. Basically, these contact calls help the birds to establish the communication amongst other birds. Children, you might have seen many a times that when a flock or group of birds fly, at that time one bird is after the other with the help of these contact calls. All the birds will be able to know each other's direction. Now, the small sized birds have cute contact calls like chirp chirp or peep peep. Children, you can see in the video that how woodpecker is sending the messages to its fellow birds. And last but not the least, talking about baby birds, they make begging calls to let their parents know that they are hungry and want the food to eat.